All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Now, have you been following my breathing kind of videos? And I'm kind of chunking it so there's more meaning to what we do and kind of breaking it down how it all comes together. So in this video here, we're going to put it all together. So just you have an idea how it may look and how you might cue it for yourself to do this drill, right? So if you missed the how to breathe out, like exhalation strategies, why you pause, how you inhale, why you do all these things, just go to these links in the description just to make sure you check. Now, let's put it all together and I'll see you in the video. Hi, this is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. Welcome to our channel. All right, so welcome back. So if you've missed the past 3 or 4 videos about the breathing and like kind of little chunks of reasoning behind how to exhale, how to inhale, how to hold the breath, I highly recommend you pausing this video and going back to them because I just give you reasons of why to do these things. Now we're going to put it all together just to give you a highlight in how to put it all together and then go from there. So first thing is when you breathe all the way out, you're thinking about fully exhaling, making sure that if you have difficulty moving these rib bones, you're making sure you're relaxing the throat and sighing. And why are we exhaling fully? If you look at the pause video that we had, or the point of the pause, some people's diaphragm are already flat. So they're kind of flared up and their diaphragm is not in a good position to recoil back. So if that's the case, fully exhaling to redome that diaphragm is important. So you fully exhale. And if you notice, if I exhale with a relatively relaxed throat, my chest bones go relax down. So you fully exhale. Until you feel like you can't get any more out. Now, once you're done with the full exhale, hold the breath. Why hold the breath? Is to let the diaphragm fully dome, and then also by holding the breath, you're re-regulating your carbon dioxide, and you're letting yourself feel the pressure. Right? Do you feel some pressure in your obliques? Do you feel some pressure in your chest because you get everything out? And that's all good. Once you fully pause for about 4 seconds, you can do longer if you like, then you inhale quietly as you take back an inhale. So you fully breathe out. So I'm going to go through the cue with you in case you want to do it at home. Fully breathe out. Relax your throat, sigh out. Keep breathing out. Keep exhaling until you feel like you're like, oh, I don't know how much I have left. I'm going to really squeeze that lungs. Then hold your breath. Tongue on the roof of the mouth, lips lightly together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just open your nostrils and just let the air back in slowly. Don't rush the air back in. I know this is really kind of tough because you're already breathed all the way out and you held your breath and now you're told to breathe in slowly. Right? So these are ways that you're training how to change your state of your nervous system in order for you to change the state and kind of inhale air into areas that you're not used to inhaling. All right? One more time for the video's sake. Breathe all the way out. Keep breathing out. Let the chest kind of squeeze out. Get all the air out. You feel like it can't go anymore? Now hold your breath, lips together, tongue on the roof of the mouth. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just open your nostrils and let the air back in. And then try to do that for 3 or 4 breaths if you can. And see how you feel afterwards. This is just a different way to maximize the things that we did. So putting it all together. All right? So if this felt like redundant, totally fine. But I just wanted to put together and send a video of that. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.